Disney and Google had a fight, and it looks like Mickey Mouse just won a major tech showdown. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech hub. Google is quietly ending its escalating AI battle with Disney and blocking users from generating images of famous Disney characters after the entertainment giant threatened legal action. Back in December, Disney threw a 32-page letter accusing Google's AI tools of acting like a virtual vending machine for its prized intellectual property. The studio said tools like Gemini, Veo and Nano Banana were creating images of characters such as Darth Vader, Iron Man, and Elsa with just a simple text prompt. Now, 2 months later, rules have suddenly changed. Google's AI models are now refusing prompts that mention Disney characters. Attempts to generate images of Yoda, Iron Man, Frozen's Elsa, and Winnie the Pooh are met with a blunt message reading, "I can't generate the image you requested right now due to concerns from third-party content providers." Now, if anyone tries to create those, they'll certainly reach a dead end. But users can still generate Disney-related content if they upload an image first. Disney's legal warning demanded Google immediately stop benefiting on its copyrights and stop training AI models on Disney material. At the time, Google insisted it had a long-standing and mutually beneficial relationship with Disney and pointed to its copyright tools as proof it takes protection seriously. But let's focus on the timing here. Disney sent the warning the same week it signed a $1 billion deal with OpenAI, licensing characters to its AI video platform Sora. Looks like Disney's characters aren't free, and Google just learned it the hard way. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.